Hello everyone. In this video we would be discussing substitution method of solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. This is one of the algebraic methods from chapter number 3 from class 10. So let's begin. Dear students, the word substitution means when we are able to substitute the value of one variable and find the value of other. So to understand this, let's pick an example. We are taking up a pair of linear equations and applying substitution method. Equation number 1, 7x minus 5y is 2. Another equation is x plus 2y equals to 3. Mark them as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now our next step is we can pick any equation out of these two. In this case, let us consider equation number 2, which is x plus 2y equals to 3, and it can be written as x equals to 3 minus 2y. 2y goes to the other end. Label this as equation number 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. We would get 7. X is replaced by 3 minus 2y. And minus 5y comes as such equals to 2. Simplification would be 21, 7 into minus 2y would make it minus 14y, then minus 5y equals to 2. Next step is variables put together, which is minus 19y equals to minus 19. Constant 21 is taken to the other end. So y becomes minus 1, minus 19 by minus 19, which would be positive 1. Now substitute the value of y in equation 3. We would get x equals to 3 minus twice of 1. So 3 minus 2 would be 1. So hence the solution is x is 1, y is 1. Let's pick up one verbal problem to understand the application of substitution method. The question says, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles. Let us take the larger angle as x. And smaller angle as y, because the question is talking about two angles and it says this larger of two supplementary exceeds the smaller by 18. So according to the first condition, because the angles are supplementary, we are aware that when two angles are supplementary, they add up to 180. So x plus y 180, frame it as equation number 1. Larger is more than smaller by 18 degree. This frames your equation 2. Now the substitution method says pick any equation out of these two and express it in terms of the other variable. Suppose I take equation 1. Taking equation 1, which is x plus y equals to 180, x can be written as 180 degrees minus y. This becomes equation 3. Now put the value from 3 in 2. Put x equals to 180 minus y in equation 1. Now let us see what, not in 1, equation 2. Yeah, this is interesting. Suppose you put this value of x in the same equation where it is framed, you would see everything would cancel and we would not be obtaining any sort of result. So remember this thing. If equation for substitution is framed from 1, put the value in 2. If you would have framed it from 2, then put the value in 1. So अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, we took equation 1, we had rewritten it. From there x is 180 minus y. This value of x would go in equation number 2. So let's see how would we solve it. X, which is 180 minus y, then comes this minus y equals to 18 degree. Solve the variables. It's minus 2y, 18 minus 180, and twice of y, minus twice of y would be, simplifying this would be 162 with negative. Negative, negative cancelled. So the value of y is 162 by 2, which is 81. 81. Smaller angle is 81 degrees. So what would be the larger angle? Let's calculate y. We know x is 180. Put the value here. X is 180 minus y. Y's value is 81. Solving this becomes 99. So here we go. Larger angle is, larger one is 99, and smaller angle, the smaller angle would be 81. I believe it is clear to everybody.